Are you looking for the best TV stands in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best TV stands. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Walker Edison Universal TV Stand. For a simple, stylish TV stand at a reasonable price, you can't go wrong with this model from Walker Edison Furniture. The unit comes in 58-inch and 70-inch options to fit various TV sizes, and there are 11 colors to choose from, including the chic, farmhouse-style reclaimed barnwood. This TV stand is 24 inches tall and 16 inches deep, and it can support TVs up to 78 inches. The stand is made from high-grade, medium-density fiberboard with a durable laminate finish, and its open front features 3 cubbies with adjustable shelves inside. There are several cord management ports at the back of the unit to help you efficiently set up your system. Moving on at number 4, we have the Atlus Plus Floating TV Stand. A definite conversation starter and space saver, the Atlus Plus is one of the only TV stands that don't touch the ground. The console mounts easy to your wall at any height with its innovating hanging rail mounting system. The Atlus Plus may seem unsteady, but the 16 by 58.2 by 16.8 inch off-the-floor console holds flat-screen TVs up to 60 inches and is strong enough to handle up to 165 pounds. It boasts 3 compartments for A/B components and is capable of holding 137 Blu-ray discs or 93 DVDs. The floating stand is manufactured in Canada and uses a CARB-compliant, laminated composite wood for a sleek finish. Note that colors come in espresso, white and black, and it includes a 5-year manufacturer's limited warranty. At number 3, we have the Fitueyes Universal TV Stand with Mount. Want to add a little height to your television? The modern and sleek Fitueyes TT207001MB swivel stand and mount comes without the bulkiness, but doesn't sacrifice on the functionality and height you'd want out of a TV stand. Our reviewer liked that it was compatible with VESA standard mounts and capable of adjusting from 100 by 100 mm to 600 by 400 mm. It fits most TVs measuring 32 to 65 inches. The stand-mount combo is actually 16.5 by 27.5 by 50.8 inches. The smart design also adds 2 shelves with a unique ability to swivel, so your TV can be directed up to 15 degrees in all directions by pivoting the mounting section. At number 2, we have the Vivo Universal LCD Flat-Screen TV Tabletop Stand. Are you looking for a straightforward, affordable TV stand without all the bulk and clutter? Then check out this one from Vivo that fits screens from 22 to 65 inches. Jeremy found it to be a simple and minimalistic stand that still provided plenty of support and peace of mind. The Vivo's tabletop is designed to connect to the back of your flat-screen TV with its universal mounting holes that measure between 75 mm by 75 mm and 800 mm by 400 mm. The strength-tested solid steel legs are padded and won't scratch furniture surfaces. It can hold weights up to 110 pounds and provides a great level of support to balance your TV's base. Due to its simplicity, it's also one of the easiest TV stands to set up. And finally at number 1, we have the Ameriwood Home Carson TV Stand. The stylish and affordable Ameriwood Home Carson TV stand is perfect for contemporary living rooms, coming in a variety of sleek colors and designed for 50-inch wide TVs that weigh up to 60 pounds. It's built with 3 open shelves and has 2 additional shelves behind both closed doors, allowing enough space for cable boxes, gaming systems, DVD, Blu-ray players and more. The stand is laminated with particle board that's accented by its silver metal tubes. Note that colors come in cherry black, distressed gray oak, espresso, Sonoma oak, and Sonoma oak. Our reviewer tested the flat black model, praising the durability and modern design. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.